Okay, so when you log on, up top you'll see offline surveys, so click that. And then this is a list view of all the responses. These are all the results from the first survey. I called it first survey. So if you want to actually click into a record and see more of the answers, because I only put the first 4 fields here, just click into one. And you'll see, everything that we input, that DMP inputted. So back to the list. If you want to see the second survey, press the filter, and survey name equals Welcome Series 2, and uncheck the first one. Done, and save. And there's no results right now since we just started it.